take a look at a function that returns a date formatted to a certain extent. I'm not going to spend a huge amount of time on it, but we'll do a file new project. And this will be an example of date formatting. Okay. Now we're going to pass in month, day, and year. So I need 3 labels, 3 text boxes. I need a button. Click to come up with my result, and then I'm going to have a label that'll put the formatted date. Okay, I'm going to rectangular select all those and change their font to 20. Click outside of that, and then start moving these. Okay. Now this one, I want text to say, let's see, this would be month. So month. This will be day. And this one will be year. I want the name of this one to be TB_month. I want this one to be TB_day. And this one will be TB_year. And then my button to format it. So let me change the button to say format instead of button 1. Format. And this will be my answer. So I'll make it invisible. So I set the visible equal to false. And then the name of it, I'll call it the LB_answer. Okay, so let me double click format. Now I'm bringing those values in. So I'm going to do LB, or what am I going to do? They're integers. Okay, integer, month, day, year. And then I'm going to have a string for the answer. Now I'm going to create a new method up here. It's going to be a private string format date. And I'll pass in a month. So I'll say INTMO, INTDY. I'm not sure if those are appropriate abbreviations, but we'll go with them. DY and INTY year. And beginning curly bracket, closing curly bracket. Now I'm going to have my string for my end result. Now see, there's a lowercase string and then there's a uppercase string, and you have to be careful which one you choose. So I'll do string answer. Now I also need string month. Month name. Now I'm going to do a check here. If, and I can do this without doing the if statement, but I like if statements. If month is equal to 1, then month name is equal to January. Else, if month is equal to 2, then my month name is equal to February. Else, if month is equal to 3, month name is equal to March. Else if month is equal to 4. Some people like cases, and that's a very easy way to do this. Else if month is equal to 5, then month name is equal to May. Else if month is equal to 6, month name is equal to May, June. Else if month is equal to 7, then month name is equal to July. Else if month is equal to 8, then month name is equal to August. Else if month is equal to 9, month name is equal to June, July, August, September. It's bedtime. Else if month is equal to 10, then month name is equal to October. Else if month is equal to 11, month name is equal to November. Else if month is equal to 12, then month name is equal to December. Now how about if they enter in an invalid value? Then we'll have an else. Month name is equal to unknown. We're not going to put any kind of error checking in there to see if they enter in a valid month. In theory, you would. Okay, so that's going to give us our month name. Now we're going to concatenate this. I wanted to say month name, like January 31st, comma, then the year. So I'm going to say, for my answer, what was my answer? ANS. Answer is going to equal to the month name plus, and then I want to have a space here, so I do a space, plus my day, what was that, dy, dot toString, plus, and then I want a comma, like January 31st, comma, space, and then my year, or, year. So I do yr dot toString. I think that'll be right, but let's see. I'm going to return answer. Now remember, we're returning a string. That's why we got private string here. So down here then, I need to bring in those from the text boxes. So month is equal to TB month. So if I need to do an int dot parse and TB month dot text, and then day is equal to int dot parse TB underscore day dot text. Now some of these you might wonder, why not just bring them as strings anyway? You could. I'm just opening this up for a possibility that we could do some more editing on this program in the future. And if we got them as integers, then we can do some checks to make sure they entered the valid dates. They didn't put in 40 for the day, for example. Okay, so then my answer, I'm going to call whatever I called that method up above. I called it format date. So I'm going to say format date. Where's format date? Pass in my first parameter, which is my month, comma, my next one, and you can see it as you're typing it. It'll highlight what's your next parameter. That tells us day, comma, and then year. Now I need to write that out to my answer. So answer lb underscore answer dot text is equal to answer. Now since this is a string, I don't need to do a toString on it. And lb answer dot visible is equal to true. Okay, let's run this and see if I got some programming issues. Okay, month, I put 11 in, 3/1955. And click format, November 3rd, 1955. change this to 9, and then 13. Then we get that. Now, if I put in 22, tells me unknown. So obviously I could put some error checking in there, but it appears to be working like I want. So now, if I need to use the same date formatting anywhere in my program, then I have the method created, and all I have to do is call it, passing in these 3 parameters, and it'll return the string corresponding to that.